The seasons. There are 4 seasons in many places: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Each season has particular weather conditions.
In spring, the days are wet. It's rainy. There are flowers, and the leaves grow on trees again. In summer, the days are hot. It's sunny. The trees and the grass are very green. In fall, the days are cool. It's windy and cloudy. The leaves of the trees fall off. The leaves have beautiful colors: red, yellow, and orange. In winter, the days are cold. It's snowy. The trees don't have leaves. Only pine trees are green.